What is up? What it do, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karabo. For some of you guys who are new here, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to stay. I really appreciate you, so welcome to the family. Now today I am showing you guys how to create this hairstyle, which is Alicia Keigh's most recent, if not like the previous hairstyle that she had on. I saw this, I wanted to recreate it, and I kind of failed, but it's so good though. I'm going to be using this product as well as this product over here. I'm going to be using these combs, and I'll be sipping on my drink and a little bit of snacks here and there because this is going to be a while. Okay, so what are we working with this time around? I washed my hair about 7 days ago, to be honest with you guys. I got lazy and I couldn't do my hair. I was supposed to have done my hair the next day, but the weather was weathering and I just got lazy and I didn't do anything. So I just put my hair in twists just so that, you know, it doesn't tangle up and all that stuff, and it will make it easier for me to you know, work with when I needed to work with it. Then I left it like this for a while, like I said, 7 days. So that's what we're working with today. What I'm doing here is creating a side part, like a more curvy side part, not the normal straight side part. I wanted something a bit more creative, I guess, I don't know, but I just wanted like something interesting, which is the side part that's curvy. What I'm grabbing here is my natural hair strengthening oil, just about 3 drops, nothing more. I just needed to, you know, bring back a bit of moisture. Wow, that little piece of thread. I wanted to bring back a little bit of moisture in the hair because it's been like this for a while, you know, and I do want it to be moisturized. The perks of having long nails, look at that. I don't need a comb. I have no idea where these pieces of thread come from, but they were everywhere. I literally still don't know where they came from. It was a bit annoying, but anyway, I got my side part right. The curve is nice. The curve is nice and straight. The curve is cool. And what I'm going to be doing next is just detangling my hair. It wasn't hard to detangle because it was already detangled. And then I'm just going to add a bit more moisture with the Cantu hair and scalp oil. Because I'm going to be blow drying my hair, I need it to be properly moisturized. So I'm going to be using my blow dryer on the first level, so it's not super hot, it's just warm enough to stretch my hair out. I realized that in order for those the twisty crisscross, you know, style, in order for it to stay sleek like that for a longer period of time, I need to make sure that I stretch out my hair. If I leave it in its coily natural state, what happens is it's like literally in 2 or 3 days it starts to poof up and it doesn't look as good as you'd want it to. So stretching it out a little bit helps a lot with keeping it nice and sleek. And yeah, because then it acts as if it's relaxed hair even though it's not. I hope I'm making sense because I don't know how else to explain that. So yeah. Right, so once I'm done with the blow drying, I'm going to make sure that this section, the section that I'm going to be working on, is nicely parted and that the partings are straight sometimes. Listen, I'm working alone here. I don't have anybody to help me open up these lines, but look, if you can get help, sis, get help, okay? Once you have parted this section properly, you are going to further part this section into 4 equal parts or equal sections, okay? So try to get them as straight as you possibly can. I never do, but you know, you can do better than me. You can. So this is what I came up with. You know, it's gonna have to work. I was super tired by the end of this, like mad tired. And that was not even the beginning of it. This is where everything starts. So starting with the first section, I'm going to part that and get like a little square piece of hair on the side of my head. And then I'm going to be using my lovable edge smoothing gel and these rubber bands. And I told you guys, if you are in Polokwane, you can get them from Chalmers. So what you want to do is grab the gel and apply that on the roots of your hair. Grab the rubber band and tie it up. If you've never seen me do this or anyone do this before, I suggest that you check out the video that I uploaded, my previous hair video that I uploaded, and you will kind of get it. However, I am going to try and accommodate you today. So we are back with the triangular sectioning, because look, the triangular sectioning or parting is amazing. So once I've parted my hair in a triangular form, I'm going to grab the gel and I'm going to apply that on the roots of my hair. Yes, grab the rubber band and then I'm going to tie it up. Once I'm done tying it up, I'm going to grab some gel and I'm going to twist the hair up. So these first two little ponytails are easy, straightforward. You don't have to worry about that. But this is where everything gets complicated. Now, you don't have to do it exactly as I did it. You can spice it up, like make it your own, you know, see what works for you, what you want to do, play around with it. Because with this section, what I'm going to do is grab the front ponytail and I'm going to feed it into this ponytail and then I'm going to tie it up. So you can either grab the one that I grabbed or you can grab the other one and just really make this hairstyle your own. It's really up to you. I was trying to recreate that exact hairstyle and I kind of messed up later on though, but I think I tried, man. Like I gave it my best shot and I think it looked good. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you guys and then I'm going to shut up and let you guys watch, because even though the sound of my voice might be nice and all that stuff, I understand. I get tired of talking sometimes, which is not true, but I don't know, like I just don't have something to say sometimes. Anyway, so you're going to grab a little squarey parts right on the side of your head. Just a little one. You don't want a big one. You just want something small. You're going to grab the gel and then apply that on the roots. You're going to take your rubber band and you're going to tie that little ponytail. I have no idea what was happening. Yes, I was supposed to probably like take it out, but it's too late now. It's too late. It's too late. But anyway, as I was saying, tie it up. And once you are done tying it up, you are going to grab the gel. I have no idea why this is so slow. I think this is where I was trying to show you guys, but I'm just saying nonsense right now. So, hi. Sorry for distracting you. But I think you guys, you know, I think you get it now. You should get it by now. Right? Okay. I'm gonna shut up for a young minute. Well, seconds. And I am back. So you saw that I actually grabbed the first two ponytails, like the ponytail before that, and I added it to this ponytail. Like I said, you don't have to do it exactly like this. You can try it your own way, but that's what I did. And I added it into this ponytail over here. Grab some gel, and now I'm trying to twist them together. I really hope that you guys can see what I'm doing and it'll be easier for you to recreate like that. With this one over here, I'm going to grab some gel, apply that on the roots. this is pretty much what I'm talking about. Like, I literally slowed this down for you guys. I didn't even know I did that, but this is slow enough. Like, this is very slow. And I'm gonna grab the first ponytail. I'm gonna stretch it all the way to that ponytail. And listen, sis, it was tight as hell. I did not notice how tight it was until I was done with this entire hairstyle. But it was that nice type of tight. Like, it wasn't too tight that I couldn't sleep, but it was quite satisfying in a way. All right, so I skipped all the way to the end. I wanted to show you guys how I connected everything. So with the first triangle, I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna add some gel quickly, and I'm gonna tie it up with the rubber band. Okay. There's the rubber band. I'm gonna tie it up maybe once or twice. I think I went twice here. And then I'm gonna grab the side ponytail. I'm gonna add it there. And closed it up. Add some gel, try to sleek it down a little. Okay, and then with the final triangle, or the final parting, we're gonna do the same thing, add some gel, grab the rubber band. Anytime now. There we go. And then we're gonna grab the other piece of hair, tie that up, and then grab that piece of hair and tie it up. The reason why I did that is because if I had grabbed all of the pieces of hair, they were eventually going to not even stay in one place. They were probably going to start coming out of the rubber band, or actually put a bit more tension on the hair. So the reason I did that was so that I can secure every piece of hair onto that ponytail. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I get my ponytail to sleek down. I was actually quite impressed with the gel for the first, I think, 2 minutes of having it on my head. But the problem is, when I wore my scarf, my head scarf, the gel just started acting some type of way. I think it was kind of like evaporating in a way, or it was melting. I have no idea. This is the part where I said things didn't go as planned, but I made it work just for that particular day. I still need to figure out how to actually lay my hair properly using this gel and making sure it stays on for a while. But the one thing I want you to take away from this is that when you are trying to create like a sleek ponytail, you have to make sure that you apply the gel in sections. Like, you need to section up your hair in, smaller sections. You don't just apply the gel over your hair and then expect it to, to sleek down properly. You need to apply it in sections, and then and then just make sure that it lays flat properly when you have the gel on both sides, the front and the back, the front and the back. And that way the hair can stick together and stay in one place for a longer period. And again, I'm gonna say, I hope you understand what I'm saying. I think I slowed it down a little bit here for you guys, just to see how I, got it to lay flat. All right, so for the front, I did the same thing. I applied the gel in smaller sections, and you will see just how great it lays flat. Look at that. Look at that. If I can actually find a way to make sure that it stays like this, I will definitely come back and share that with you guys. But look at how flat and sleek that is. Yeah, so these are the sections I was talking about, like thin, small sections. Apply it over there, thin section and then apply the gel again on the other side. You're going to keep doing this until you have the gel on every, or at least every strand of hair that you can possibly get it on. Look at that. Look at that. Like, that is perfect. Anyway, so this is the final result. Like I said, the hair started poofing up a little, as you guys can see. The gel couldn't hold it down. I'm not too sure why, but I will figure it out, and once I get it right, I will definitely come back and show you guys a different technique. But this worked for a while for where I wanted to be and what I wanted to do. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, goodbye.